Many Toyota RAV4 owners wonder why their RAV4 is not getting a good mileage. Well, there might be a reason which is under the hood. Your RAV4's gas mileage can sometimes take a hit if there is a problem under the hood. If you notice a sudden drop in fuel efficiency and you haven't changed how you drive your RAV4, it might be due to a mechanical issue. I said if you haven't changed how you drive because, friends, guess what? Smooth driving habit matters for fuel economy. Anyway, let me discuss 10 good reasons, 10 mechanical reasons why your Toyota RAV4 may be getting an awful mileage. And of course, after you know about these reasons, you will know what to do in order to improve the mileage of your Toyota RAV4. But these are also common with other vehicles. Anyway, the first is bad fuel pump. If your fuel pump isn't working right, it can mess with how much gas gets to your engine. Another reason your Toyota RAV4 is not getting a good mileage and you can improve it is failing fuel injectors. These little guys spray fuel into the engine, and if they're not doing it right, your gas mileage, of course, suffers. Another reason is low tire pressure. Well, this is kind of makes good sense, right? Underinflated tires in your vehicle create more resistance, making your car work harder and use more gas. Another good reason your Toyota RAV4 is not getting a good mileage is corroded spark plugs. Well, change them, improve them. These are like little sparks that make your engine go. If they are corroded, they cannot do their job, of course, properly. Another good reason your Toyota RAV4 is not getting a good mileage is malfunctioning oxygen sensors. These sensors help your car mix the right amount of fuel and air. If they're off, your gas mileage can go downhill. Another good reason your car is not getting a good mileage is contaminated engine air filter. A dirty air filter means your engine has to work extra hard, using more gas in the process. Another reason you can do something to improve your gas mileage has to do with worn out piston rings. This keeps the engine power where it should be. If they are worn out, your gas mileage might suffer. Worn out piston rings. Another reason is old motor oil and filter. Well, keep your oil fresh. Fresh oil keeps everything running smoothly in a vehicle. Old, dirty oil in a car can drag down your gas mileage. Another reason your Toyota RAV4 is not doing a good mileage and you can do something about it to improve it is dirty mass airflow sensor. These sensors help your car figure out how much air is coming in, friends. If it is dirty, your gas mileage can drop. And another reason your Toyota RAV4 is not getting a good mileage is poor wheel alignment. If your wheels aren't lined up right, it can create extra resistance on the vehicle, making your car less fuel efficient. Well, friends, these are good reasons that you need to know. They're mechanical reasons. Your car is not getting a good mileage, and if you want your Toyota RAV4 to improve their mileage, you can take care of these issues. While keeping up with your RAV4's maintenance schedules can prevent many of these issues. Sometimes mechanical problems, of course, can still happen. If you suspect something is not right, the best way to find out is to have your RAV4 inspected by a mechanic or inspector. If you're not a car expert yourself, it's a good idea to take it to a trusted technician who can figure out what's going on under the hood and fix your car. And thus, in doing this, you can improve Toyota RAV4's bad gas mileage. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com, and if this was helpful, please share with your friends, those who have RAV4s, or as you notice, many of these things will apply directly to any vehicle, like poor vehicle alignment, or low tire pressure, keeping your car fresh oil, and so on, that you can do to improve your vehicle's gas mileage. God bless you, everyone. See you soon in our next report. And if you have other good tips, I'll look forward to reading them in the comments. Let's have a discussion in the comment section below. See you soon.